Hey, Monkey Boo, it's Sunday Funday. We always just hang out on Sunday, Boo. We got a couple of your favorite toys. You guys may have seen another video with this sticky ninja. And we got some bouncy putty. Boo, you gonna play with these sticky ninja first? Here, take him out. He's a ninja, Boo. Remember, he sticks to the wall. Watch, Boo. Look, get. Fix it. Good job, Boo. All right, Boo, you want to check out the bouncy putty? Open it up. The bouncy putty. Oh. Remember that? You like that stuff, don't you? Here, let me see this. You gonna work on it a little bit? Look happy. Really? You working? Okay. Can you make me 2 pieces? Can you break it in half? Good boy, Boo. Hold on, Happy. Boo's doing something. We gotta be really strict. Go ahead, Boo. Break it in half. Make it in. There you go, Boo. Good job. Look how happy. Make me one. Hurry. All right. Thank you, Boo. Well, Boo was working on his air putty, but now Happy wants to play. Here, Boo, I'll get this for you. I'll put this up. I'll put this up. You want to play with Happy? Go ahead. Show him who the big brother is. You gonna put the lid on this? Show him who. Yeah, we'll put it up. Boo's like, really? Sunday Funday. This is our relaxed day, right, Boo? Look. We even set the mood. We've got our monkey lamp. Very cool. Yeah. All right, you guys are gonna go at it a little bit. Get him, Boo. You don't have to take that off of him, Boo. Hee hee hee. I'll tickle Happy too. Hee 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 hee. Hee hee. Oh, Happy's ticklish. Oh, he's so fast. Oh, Boo's got it. He's like, hold still, little guy. Boo's using his elbow on the side of his face. Boo said, if you want to take Happy in there, I'll probably play with this putty. I kind of like it. Look, here, Boo. So how many of you out there, no matter what your age, has a younger sibling that can totally relate with what Boo is dealing with right now? But it's very important. Our little brothers and sisters learn so much from us. So even though Boo's kind of aggravated right now, he's being very tolerant. He still plays with him a little. Oh, he's a good boy. Play, play, play. That's all Happy wants to do. Sometimes Boo tries to act like he's serious about everything, which is a big charade. Ain't that right, Boo? I'm a silly monkey, too. I just play all the time. Boo, to close out your Sunday, would you like to send out a tweet, sir? You want to send a tweet? Go ahead. There he goes. Whoa. All right, it's YYS space B at hashtag dot hashtag at B hashtag at B at G. What's the best part about Sunday afternoons, guys, when everything's all finished? Oh, it's snuggle time, right? Let's get all this stuff out of the way. We have to hide the phone just so nobody can mess with it. Yeah. Right? Yeah. All right. So let's relax. You think Happy will? I bet you Boo will. Boo, where's Boo's spot at? Come get in Boo's spot. What are you doing, Boo? What are you... Really, Boo? Boo, I don't have no bumps on my nose, man. Oh, you got to check my ear, too? Okay. Thank you. Are you trying to get me to go to sleep, Boo? So you can get into stuff? Happy's all over our camera person. Boo's up. Boo, come on, man. My ears are clean. Alright. Oh, Boo's got his toe in his ear. He's sucking on his finger. Oh, look, Boo. Here we go. Alright, guys. This has been a pretty fun Sunday hangout, right, Boo? Yeah. So I say, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And we'll see you in the next video. Boo's covering up his head. Can I get a little kissy, Boo? Oh, you're sweet. So I'll see you guys in the next video.